Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove background in Photopea. First, open any preferred browser and search for the website Photopea. This is a free online photo editing tool that you can use to remove backgrounds. Once the website is open, upload the image you want to remove the background from. After that, make sure the background layer is not locked. Then, locate the magic wand tool on the left side menu. Now click and hold on it to open up a new menu. Inside this menu, select the Object Selection tool. Use this tool to click and drag around the subject you want to keep in the image. Photopea will try to automatically select the object. If the edges aren't selected properly, simply click on the Select Subject button. This will ensure the entire subject is selected accurately. If there are any areas you want to include or exclude from the selection, use the Refine Edge feature. You can brush over those parts to fine-tune the selection. Once you're satisfied with the selection, click OK. The background will now be removed, leaving just the subject on a transparent background. So that's all for this video. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.